Guys, so we are working from home. Actually, not really working from home, but I'm so bored this quarantine thing, and I decided to show you guys like simple styles of making natural hair. So you guys might be wondering nini mbaya na nywele yangu. So like nimefunga na uzi ya which color is this purple. So I normally do this ndo nywele yangu nikiamka asubuhi sishikane. So nitaitoanisha. Finally I'm done. Hey, it was a struggle kutoa hizo vitu zote, but nimemaliza. So as you can see, my hair is all fluffy and all that. By the way, if you want your hair ikue soft, then asubuhi like when you want to like chana it au pati imeshikana, you just do this. Unafunga na kamba so that ukiamka asubuhi but it's very soft. So kama mimi nikilala nilifanya hivyo, and now unaona haijashikana like it. Hata unaweza itoanisha into pieces. So yeah, so that's a technique I've given you. Unafunga na uzi so that nywele yako haijashikana. So on to the next. So my first style, kwanza nataka nichane kidogo kidogo, and then I show you my first style. So yeah. So what I normally do nikichana nywele ndo isishikane, I'm at home, so I'm using a natural method. So I just sprinkle some water to my hair to make it equal soft, so that nikichana haishikani. So guys, nimemaliza chana my hair. It is now very soft. So this is a simple style that everyone does akiwa kwa nyumba and all that. So this is a bun. Kufunga tu nywele kwenda juu and making a small cute bun. So what I use is a gel. It's a small gel. Napaka tu, kupaka ni kuminimize hiyo nywele kwenda kando kando and nywele kuwa all over the air. Uko hapa, you are in town, uko archives na nywele ingine iko audion. That is what we don't like. So you need to make your hair very neat, so you try and pick up all the pieces, all the strings. Kwanza, people who have a lot of hair like me, you normally struggle, but so this way you make sure you have every piece. intact, that way, making just a very cute bun, that way. So you take your gel and try to line it up like that. Like that. Just don't overuse the gel, just small pieces of your hair together. So after you finish, you just tie it up with using a hairband. This hairband, you can find it anywhere. It's very cheap because supermarket it's like 15 bob or 20 bob. I think you can even find one for 10 bob. Yeah, so that way, to make your hair again after you've tied it that way, you take your gel and try to line it up that way. And by the way, if you want it ishikane kabisa, you can use a lot of gel and try to put it together. Just that this time round, ukitumia gel, haunini, you don't put it kwa dry, but you can use a lot of gel and try to bring the hair together so that hauko Kisii and your hair is in Nairobi, popping all the streets of Nairobi. You know, so about this, you can decide either wacha nywele yako iflop like that, you just use a... Okay, so I think my hair is in position. Lined up. Yeah, I think it's very nice. So about this, alafu about nywele ya juu. Okay, kuna watu wengine wako na nywele fupi kidogo, so hapa juu utapata it is just okay. So alternatively, I have two options. I can either I take these are pins, hair pins. Take these pins, like 2 of them. I think you can see this. And then so yeah, how do you say this? This is the first hairstyle. Oh, by the way, this is a toothbrush that I used to make my hair. So this is the first one. So to the next one. Okay, this one. So unaweza decide to remove your pin, and this one is called you just make it fluffy if your hair is big, or if your hair is fluffy like mine. So this one, this kapati ya juu, you take it and try to comb it. As usual, again with my water bottle over there, you just sprinkle some to water. Remember the essence of sprinkling this to water ni nywele ikwe soft na iachane. Okay, see eti nywele si soft, but it just makes it look, I don't know, there's a science about you just pouring some water on the head. So yeah, this is another style that I like doing. You see, just leaving your hair like whoa. So yeah, how do you like it? So guys, to my number 2 natural hairstyle. So what I'll do, I just split my hair into 2 pieces. what? Style number 2. So if you have bushy hair, this is a very beautiful style. You just feel free, like your hair is all over, you know. What do you think about this style? I really like it. It's so cute, like, and someone might think you have a wig on. So if you have a lot of hair, by the even short hair, you can just split your hair into 2, as long as you've combed your hair so well it's separated, haijashikana. You just have to look cute in this style. So yeah. Oh, and to hairstyle, natural hairstyle number 3. So the way my hair is like this, I'll just take my hairband. Okay, this one I'm just using it to hold, and then I'll take my white. I'm using these 2 white hairbands to hold on this side. Wow. That way. Okay, like that. And then on this other side with my other hairband, so like that, and you're looking like a kid. Oh, I love this one. And you're walking in sound like hoo hoo hoo, I'm enjoying life. So this is my other hairstyle. Guess what?